How's it going, everybody? So today we're going to be heading into the Oakland Coliseum flea market, and we're going to be meeting up with my buddy Ronnie. So you guys may have seen him before in one of my videos, like maybe a couple of weeks ago. Did a deal with him, and today he has another little stack of items that he wants me to go through and pick up. So yeah, let's just head into the flea market real quick and see what he has.
That's just the first box, so you can
okay. Yeah, I can start looking through. All right, looks like we got some Danners. Danners are usually, when I think of Danners, I think of boots, but these are pretty cool. Never seen them before. Yeah. Brand new. Wonder if there's a price on the box. Just the MSRP. No. Something like that. Got some more hats for me, huh? More hats. Got some vintage sheets here. Some kind of banner. Oh, a little calendar from, what movie is that? I should definitely know that. This is from 1965. It's pretty old. Let's see what else we got here. Let's just blast through these hats real quick. We got a national champions. Hey, what's up, man?
Good to see you, brother.
How you doing?
Good, man. How you doing?
Doing pretty good. Got a Steelers hat. Got a Saints hat. Giants, the All-Star game hat. Dude, my mind's not working right now. So this is Baltimore Orioles. Little San Francisco 49ers. The Ravens, Giants, St. Louis Rams, or LA Rams, another one of the basketball ones. Oh, nice couple gloves, huh? Got a nice Louisville Slugger. This is a quality glove right here for sure. I can probably see how much you paid for it. I got a extra large Eddie Bauer hat. And this looks like some kind of GameCube adapter for a racing game. I don't know if I've ever seen a GameCube one. A couple more hats here, let's go through them. Got a Broncos hat. I think this style only sells for like, I mean the last one I sold was like 12, 14 bucks. Got a White Sox hat here, let's see what size it is. 7 7/8. Got a Steelers hat. Man, it just keeps on bringing out stuff. Possibly, no, that's new with tags. What is this? Iron Paradise, made not born. And this is a Under Armour. Pretty interesting Under Armour piece. I've never seen them make something like that. A couple hats, Phil. Looks like we got a Black Diamond shorts. Never heard of them. I think they're some kind of a adventure brand or rock climbing or something. Got a pair of Billabongs, size 33, new with tags. Got a soccer shirt. Oh, it's a UFC shirt. Last one I had one of these, I think sold pretty quick for pretty good money. So these are pretty good. Hey Ronnie, how much do you want on your polo sweaters over there? Got some baby Gap Star Wars, brand new with tags.
Esta quiero, te dejo en 50.
What do we got here? Got some vintage cars. So this Kansas City Royals car, Chicago White Sox, a couple vintage Power Ranger watches. There's actually a watch guy here that can throw some batteries in here and we can get them going before we list them. And a few CDs here. So Dawn FM, another car, Toronto Blue Jays. I'm actually going to move my cart over here because it shouldn't, no reason for it to be over here. How much was it? How much was it? 30?
No, 30. 50.
Oh, that's not too bad.
No igual esta.
Where'd he go?
No igual.
Hey Ronnie, how much is your other one?
No igual. No igual. ¿Qué pasó? No igual que la otra. No, no me sale. Mira, lo menos, la verdad, para sacarle algo.
Okay, we got a cool tank top. Another one of these Under Armour pieces. Yeah, tell me if you've ever seen an Under Armour like that. That's pretty crazy.
Those are the last two things I think.
These are the last two? Okay, cool. We got Unforgivable by Sean John, a little per cologne. Giants hat. So into the mystery box, you got a Snoopy piece with the Woodstock on top. Looks like it probably makes some sound. I'm not going to twist it all the way because I don't want it to be going too loud. We got that guy. Another Snoopy plush. Let's see who makes this one. San Francisco. I got a hat here. This one, it's made in USA. I don't know what brand though. Oh, here we go. Kavu. I've never heard of Kavu, but it feels really quality and it's probably a good piece there. I don't know if it's vintage or not, but it looks like it was never worn. Okay, we got a jacket here. All right, this is a vintage Olympics jacket. Looks like it's getting pretty good condition. I don't see any wear or anything on there. Some more hard rock stuff, huh?
I know, I showed you a lot.
Yeah. I finally got them all listed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dude, I have like 200 or 300 things I need to list.
Oh, yeah.
Not.
Yeah, it's,
and I keep getting so much more.
Yeah, it's like, it's never ending, man. We're always taking stuff in.
Like, I did have someone helping me for a while I was paying him to help me, but
yeah.
The thing is, it's hard to tell them what I know and how much to list it for, just to get an idea. So it's it just didn't work out. So.
Yeah, I thought about hiring someone just to take photos or maybe teach them how to ship.
The shipping would be nice.
Yeah.
Like, I don't mind listing, and I could be someone to do the shipping.
Yeah, I should really just get my daughter to take photos for me because that'd be the easiest, you know, because she's already at home. Got a little Snoopy guy there. It's a cool looking glass. Let's see. It's vintage 2000 Marquise Waterford Crystal. Pretty cool. Try not to break that. Okay, we got a stapler. Zenith stapler, maybe? It looks like a stapler. Okay, here's another stapler. And a couple, like a whole bag full more. I'm just gonna put these right here for now. Oh, we got a Pendleton shirt. Purple Pendleton.
I bought these today.
Oh yeah. Oh, those are cool. Grilled cheese. Fiend. Are they vintage?
I'm sure. I looked it up.
Yeah.
I mean, I looked up the brand. And
Bangladesh. That's cool. Kind of might be good on eBay, huh?
Yeah.
You trying to throw them in the deal, or you trying to throw them into the deal?
If you want to, you're interested in them?
Yeah, I mean, I'm interested in whatever you have, man. Always.
That was too. That's like a sample from.
Oh, a sample. Wow, that's cool. Little sample piece. And some trolls down here, so let's go through them real quick. Got a Jurassic Park Kush doll and some trolls.
I just got this one too earlier. But I have a buddy who loves buying. Like,
oh yeah.
Like, what caught my attention is that. Like, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is cool. It's like part of a jersey.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Gotta get it washed though.
Yeah. Making me want to go start walking around, man. Alright, so that's what we got today from Ronnie. Yeah, they come early. Alright, So we're just gonna go. Hey man, good seeing you. All right, man. So I went through everything.
Okay.
You want to just kind of do it like we did before and just like get a price on everything and okay. And we'll probably have to do part Zell today, unfortunately.
That's all good, dude.
Okay, cool. Got some ties too, huh? Oh, or miss. Those are nice.
You sell that?
I've sold these before, yeah. Yeah. This brand always sells super fast for me.
Thing is, a lot of the stuff I can list and I can sell quick, but like I said,
You said you got 200 things to list.
I got more than that, dude. And I got my storage full of stuff too. It's just,
yeah.
I buy more than I sell, which I don't mind.
Yeah.
I prefer to buy anyway. I'd rather do it as a hobby. If I can buy it and
just kind of do some quick flips here and there.
But either way, like I mean, I'm making money. Like
yeah. No.
Like people like the people who know that selling online, they're like, hey, why don't you sell all the stuff online? Like, dude, if I could by myself, I would. But that would prevent me from coming out here, doing storages and finding more stuff and
finding the good deals.
Yeah. I'm not kind. I'm just looking.
No, you're good, man.
Yeah.
I remember last time I was like interrupting you, so I'm trying not to do that this time.
It's all good, dude.
I want you to concentrate.
Do you want these? Would you be able to flip them, or might be kind of a?
I don't think they're going to be flying off the shelf, but I'll take them if you want.
Something that's not going to fly off the shelf.
Yeah. I'll take them in the deal if you want to. Add it in there. And then you're not selling those, right?
Did you want them too?
Yeah. I mean.
I'll toss them over. That's all good. I just got this yesterday actually. I just had it in my jacket, so I left it here. So one of my buddy owed me some money, so he gave me those.
Oh, really?
Fine. For this.
But don't add them in if like you, because those will probably sell same day on eBay.
No, yeah. But like I said, like I'm pretty picky at what I put online.
Yeah.
Pretty picky. So I mean, if I can list things faster, that's my thing. If I can list it quick and sell it quick, like with the jewelry, I can do that.
Yeah.
So it sells right.
That's one thing you got to work on, man. If you're doing YouTube, no cussing.
No, for sure. Okay,
I know how to bleep things out.
Okay. I haven't figured that out yet.
You just
because I don't know
get a sound and put it into the.
I'm using. I don't know. I'll probably talk to you after.
Yeah. You could call me or text me.
Okay, for everything, dude. I'll do $375 for everything, bro.
Okay, that works for me.
And if for some people it may seem like, damn, you're giving it away, but you have to look at it like this: the person still has to list it. You have to sit on it. They get taxed on it.
Sounds like you've been reading the comments, man.
So
don't let the comments get to you. All right, yeah, I appreciate that, man. You always hook it up, so yep. And there is a lot of time to be invested in listing all this stuff. So cool. Well, let's get you paid. Are you cool with like 200 cash and then the rest on?
We can Zell? Yeah, dude, we can do that.
Okay, cool. All right, let's do that. That way I can run around with some money. And then, how long are you gonna be here?
I'm gonna stick around for like another 10-15 minutes just to walk around. I'm actually just putting other stuff away right now after here.
Okay.
And because I still want to go shopping, that's what I want to do actually.
Yeah. Okay. I'll hit you the rest on the Zell and then. Cool, man.
It's all good,
well,
bro.
Thanks again.
Yeah, thank you, man.
And Picker's Fortune on YouTube. Check him out. He's uploading weekly now, right?
Weekly, like 2 or 3 videos a week now.
There you go. 2 or 3 videos a week.
Trying to keep up.
All right, cool. Thanks again, Ronnie.
Thank you, man.
He must have like a camera up front or something, because there's no way he can see nothing.
Like I see photos or stuff like this.
Just start shopping right now.
Dude, that's so dangerous. Where he has it strapped on.
On the door.
On the door handle.
175 for that one.
It's pretty interesting.
That's the first thing you hear.
On the door handles. That's crazy. This is your friend right here?
Yeah, that's my friend.
Oh,
big money.
It's got this strap right to the door handle.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
I don't know how he is way down the road.
I can't even see him from this side.
Heck no. You gotta have room to sit up in that thing.
Those shocks have seen better days, man.
That's all that shit to bring my money now.
All right. Only at the flea market. All right, just got everything loaded up that Ronnie sold to me today. And again, he gave me an amazing deal. I already know it. But like he said, you got to list all this stuff to make any kind of money. If you want to make money, you got to list all this stuff on eBay, for me at least. It worked out for him perfectly, where he could just offload some stuff. He has so much of this type of stuff that, you know, making deals like this just makes sense to him. And the good thing about Ronnie is I know all this stuff is legit. He's told me exactly where he buys this stuff. And he hustles pretty hard. Like, he has to drive hours and hours and hours to get this kind of stuff, then drive all the way back. And then, yeah, it's just, he is super smart, made connections, and you know, it's paying off for him. So that's really cool. Make sure you check out his channel, Picker's Fortune. And that's going to be it for me today. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you soon with another video.